Yes, boss. Good morning. I'll be coming late to the office today. क्या हो गया? Boss, there has been some casualty in my neighborhood. Not done? What do you mean by not done? Boss, I'm a person who lives in a society. मेरी सामाजिक जिम्मेदारियां भी कुछ हैं और मैं पड़ोस में यदि कुछ होता है तो आई हैव टू बी देयर फिजिकली पर्सनली. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. No. Fine, boss. Then ask the HR to give me a call or I'll send my resignation right there. Thank you so much. Have you come across this kind of a situation? Have you come across this kind of an arguments with your boss or in your company in any way? If it is there, then something is very, very wrong. You're not justifying your own value. You're not valuing yourself. You are just working for the sake of earning money. And this is not done. So if you have a deep passion, if you want to do something out of your own, if you want to come out of this everyday stresses which 80% of the job people have, then this is the right place where I'm going to invite you for my 2-day workshop where I'm going to talk about the exact wireframe of starting a profitable and sustainable business right from scratch for you to create your own dream and legacy. I don't claim anything like growing your business 5x or 10x in 2 months or 3 months time, but I can definitely guarantee you that once you work with the real framework which I have implemented in my multiple businesses, this is going to start off a kick-off start for your startup, and you're going to sustain and grow your business rapidly like anything. So nothing comes in this world for free. You have to work hard, you have to invest time and money for your learning, and I'll be helping you as a guide, as a coach to do this thing for yourself. Now click on this link below to register yourself for this 2-day 2-hour workshop, which is going to be a business startup workshop in which I'm going to cover right from the basic fundamentals, the framework, all those aspects of starting your startup, understanding the entire market scenario, so that whenever you start, you are not stopped by any of the problems which is always coming around you, and you are going to sustain and make it profitable over a longer period of time. So once again, click in here, register yourself, and I'm going to see you there. All the best.